Hello everyone, my name is Hina Kocher from MBA Semester 2. Through my PPT, I will be discussing the research I have done on the topic data analytics and sustainability, whereby I have studied the perception of people about how data analytics can enhance sustainability in organizations. Before moving ahead, I would like to tell you what does data analytics means. Data analytics is a process of inspecting, cleansing, transforming, and modeling data with the goal of discovering useful information, informing conclusion, and supporting decision making for an organization. So here through our research, we have tried to get the answer to the question that how data analytics can lead to sustainability in an organization. We will try to find that why organization use data analytics tools in decision making and how it will lead to a sustained result. First of all, we have made a review literature whereby we have realized that sustainability is a major concern for many organizations. As we all know, sustainability is required in any organization for making smooth decision making. So, in our review literature, we have made the conclusion that data analytics could be a very wonderful solution for many sustainability problems for making decisions in an organization. We have realized that data analytics offers a number of solutions to solve the sustainability problems. Some of them include that the new data solutions make it easier for the companies to move towards paperless business models. Also, it will lead to the development of VoIP tools like Skype, which helps them minimize the travel needs. Like you can communicate online. Also, data technology has helped many supply chains more efficient, which help companies spend fewer resources on carbon producing transport. Data technology has made it easier for investors to find companies that are both sustainable and economically viable. This helps make sure that sustainable companies with promising futures get the capital they need to thrive. So this was the objective of our research, which was to identify the key problems that an organization faces and also how data analytics helps in organizing and presenting the required data into the useful information. The next we have is research methodology, whereby we will discuss the sampling technique used and the method of data collection. The sampling technique we use is the purposive sampling. Here we have taken the people who are working in the organization, who are really connected to the organization, and we have tried to know that how they have understood the data analytics and for them how data analytics will help them in enhancing the sustainability in the organization and help them in making the decisions. Then we have is the data collection tool we used questionnaires for that. We made the questionnaire on Google Forms, which was forwarded to the people of the interest area to collect the data. Now moving on to the results. In our research, we found out that management and leadership style are the two most important predictors of data analytics and sustainability practices. Here we have made a result that data analytics can help in anticipating the future changes in demand, supply, and prices without being making them vulnerable to price. Also, they will help in making them the policies and making decisions accordingly. So we made a conclusion through our research is that data analytics play a very important role in removing the internal and external threats. It is used in various operations within our organization and supply chain is one of them. As we all know, supply chain management is not an easy task. It is much costlier. So data analytics tools helps an organization in minimizing that cost and doing the production and the transfer of goods efficiently and effectively. Here, the company that wishes to apply analytics to their sustainability initiatives should consider the following three priorities. The first one is improving and automating data gathering. Then we have is implementing business intelligence tools for managing operational performance. And at last, we have is extending visibility through the supply chain. Thank you so much.